If we could sequence all the different species of microbes found in the human body, which, remember, make up more than half of the cells in our body, we'd learn a ton about ourselves. To that end, the Microsetta Initiative collected tens of thousands of samples of, to use the scientific term, doo-doo. Extracted the DNA of the microbes inside and sequenced it. Now we just need to organize this data. Unfortunately, though computers excel at certain tasks like crunching numbers or tracking down specific pornography, they're not so good at organizing DNA information. See, different species of microbes have similar but not quite identical DNA. That means mapping their sequences can be kind of ambiguous. The computer makes lots of small mistakes that can corrupt downstream analysis. Which brings us back to video games! So, we've got several million sequences that are each 150 nucleotides long that are riddled with small errors from the computer analysis. How can we get rid of all these errors? With your help! We've taken the millions of DNA sequences and broken them down into bite-sized puzzles that you can play and solve inside Borderlands 3. And try not to think about the fact that the DNA came from human excrement when I use phrases like bite-sized. By playing Borderlands science inside Borderlands 3, you'll be directly helping our scientists organize and compare this dung data. The game is simple. You'll be confronted with different strands of DNA, each made up of individual tiles. It's your job to place as many of these tiles as possible in their appropriate row while matching the colors. It's not always possible to line everything up perfectly, but that's okay. By playing the game and matching the sequences, you'll also be identifying the errors in our computer analysis and helping scientists across the planet build a better algorithm for the future. And since all this research is open access, the entire scientific community will benefit from it. This research could directly lead to a universal catalog of all known microbes, which could lead to new breakthroughs in food, medicine, exercise. The sky's the limit. And it all starts with you playing a video game. But if the pursuit of knowledge isn't enough of an encouragement to sort through virtual butt microbes, then fear not. Playing Borderlands Science earns you in-game currency you can spend on booster items for your characters. Oh, and this is all totally free. Just activate the Borderlands Science machine on Sanctuary 3 and sort some gut microbes.
If you ever wish to get good and return to this cabinet in an effort to beat my top score, please feel free.
Let's hunt.
take some explosives as well, just in case. To start, place the first beacon. Now just 2 more. We must triangulate the beacons to determine the Necroquake's soul. Can't create a triangle without 3 points. No, don't get out paper. I know triangles.
Triangles are rad.
No, you are missing the point, Sparrow. If the quakes do not stop, we could all perish.
Whatever! Triangles!
Come here, girl. Feel the bloodlust. Rest. Your hunt is over.
I am picking up a radio frequency, meaning you have successfully placed the beacon instead of being consumed by nightmare beasts. If Sparrow had had the survival skills you possess, they would have already tamed this inhospitable planet.
I've got survival skills. Watch.
You are currently on fire.
Oh, crap! Wait. No, I'm not. You got me.
Welcome back, my girl.
Noted an additional frequency, meaning instead of being torn asunder by voracious animals, you have placed the other beacon. Good. Now I will triangulate. One moment.
Grouse, you're on fire! Look! Grouse! Hey!
Please, Sparrow, I'm trying to concentrate. Okay, sending you coordinates, Vault Hunter. Interesting. The Necroquakes are coming from a subterranean abscess, or cave in common parlance. We will create an opening with the explosives. Called it. Proceed underground and find the source of those quakes. Surely the necro-quakes are Maliwan's doing. Their time will come. Then we will exterminate this planet's fauna one by one, and finally all will be quiet.
That sort of sounded like you want to kill every living thing on the planet but us.
Yes, it did sound like that, Sparrow. It did sound like that.
Takes all! Whence you came.
But you're not gonna kill me, right?
Not if you fulfill your primary protocols.
Which are...
Keeping our living environment clean and orderly.
And if I forget to clean, like one day?
That would be unfortunate.
Slap on the wrist, unfortunate, or scrap me, unfortunate.
Dealer's choice. And I am the dealer. It wasn't Maliwan after all. That's what caused the quakes. Clearly, this is Sparrow's crippling incompetence at work.
What?
I will deal with him later. You still have those explosives, yes, Vault Hunter? Return to me for a token of my appreciation. But to set expectations, it is not merely a token, but money. The necroquakes have stopped. Thank you, Vault Hunter. Our survival is assured. For now.
Let's go! Vault Hunter, he's dead. Typhon's dead. The walls are closing in. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Gross! What was I supposed to ask the Vault Hunter to do?
Quiet down. Do you want Maliwan to scrap us?
I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Walls closing in.
As you can see, Sparrow is grief-stricken by Typhon's death, and thus useless to me. An utterly pointless emotion, grief. Nevertheless, if Sparrow is to be of any use, we must memorialize Typhon. Grab those rocket parts I was saving for our defense. I can think of no better tribute than to light the sky on fire.
Now I have to spend an eternity with you!
Come now, it might not be that long.
Really? Why's that?
Maliwan might scrap you tomorrow.
Ah!
Do not forget the detonator, Vault Hunter. Now, I have already determined the optimal place from which to launch Typhon's memorial rocket. Head there now.
He's dead. He's freaking dead. Like forever dead.
You're getting yourself all worked up.
But I never got to thank him for creating me!
Well, it's too late now. There. Feel better?
Ah! Why aren't you sad? He created you too!
Sadness is a pointless emotion, as are all emotions. I have sent the Vault Hunter to launch a rocket to placate you. This mission and Typhon's death mean nothing to me. Just so we're clear.
send you all to death! Your path ends here. That's the spirit. What do I say?
On your way to the optimal rocket launch site, you will pass one of Typhon's old bases. How sentimental. The last echo logs Typhon ever recorded are there. However, so is Malawan. You must strike them down and recover the echo logs. Only then will we pay a fitting tribute to our master.
Falls silent. It's time to fight! You there, how are your last breaths?
hopeless to listen to these damn things autoplay. Distracting.
Grouse, Sparrow, if you're listening to this, I croaked. Had to happen sometime, but hey, I lived a full life. I got some parting words for you. Here's the next echo.
When did you eat that?
Sparrow, you made me laugh. And like I always say, a life without laughter, it's like a sky without stars. The galaxy's a dangerous place, and we need more bots like you. So don't grieve. Dance.
Whatever you say, Typhon, I'll miss you. I'm dancing. I'm cry dancing.
Yes, into the fray!
The beast has the echo exterminated. The final echo log. Whatever parting words Typhon left were wasted moments in my correct opinion. Damn autoplay.
Rouse, you could out-sour a lemon's armpit. Because I designed you that way. I needed someone to push me to survive, but I'm gone now. So go have some fun, buddy. You don't gotta be a lemon no more. Experience joy. Play some games. Go on a trip. Or dance. Just promise you'll take care of Sparrow. He needs you. But you need him too. You're my best buds. Farewell.
Grouse, you look sick. You okay, buddy?
He's gone, and I'll never see him again. I'm sad.
Yowza. Vault Hunter, go assemble the rocket. I'm gonna hug my buddy Grouse. Come here, you grouchy son of a bitch! Grouse is having a tough time, but he told me to tell you to put Typhon's final echo logs in the rocket. Then his legacy will be complete.
I am drowned in emotion. If I were a bird, I would fly into the sun.
Now the detonator, Vault Hunter. Grouse, come on out. It's time to launch Typhon's rocket.
Sad.
You heard Typhon. Happiness is survival. So watch this damn rocket or I'm going to kill you!
Fine.
Amazing! Grouse, what the hell? You're still crying!
I feel happy, sad. It is confusing.
Come on back, Vault Hunter. Grouse and I want to thank you in person. Typhon is gone, but Thanks to you, he'll always be remembered.
We will be the stewards of this planet, as Typhon would have wanted.
Take all the iridium. We don't need it.
Now I will have some fun.
I'll put on some music for you. Try it, buddy! Dancing keeps your gears in shape. It's efficient.
Fine. How enjoyable, somehow. I'm furious I'm enjoying this. But I am. Why can't I stop spinning?
Party! You're a natural. Teach me that move.
No.
I wonder where that went. The fun is over.